In this lecture, we will learn about assigning and maintaining baseline. For a resource and cost loaded program, to assign a baseline, initially we will hide the resource columns and budgeted cost. Click Apply, click OK. Then go to Project. Under Project, select Maintain Baselines. When the window of Maintain Baselines pops up, select Add. Choose Save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. Click OK. So you can copy, you can delete here. So you have baseline B1. You can assign the baseline type. Initial planning baseline. Click Close. So the baseline, we need to assign a baseline to this project. We have just inserted maintain baselines. To assign baselines, under the same project tab, click Assign Baselines. The project, select baseline, click the B1 baseline which you had maintained in the baseline. User baseline as primary. So you can assign this as a primary. Then click OK. Now the project has been assigned with a baseline. I'll show you how the baseline is. Baseline columns. Click on the dates. Select baseline project start, baseline project finish. Click apply, click OK. This is the baseline columns. This is the normal start and finish. To show the bars, go to bars, select primary baseline, click apply. You can see the bars, yellow bars underneath. It is the baseline. To show you the changes, I'll select a different date for scheduling. I'll select 31st May. I'll click on the schedule. So the yellow bars are the baseline. The projected dates, start dates has been moved from early May to early June. You can notice here, and the projected start is 31st May, whereas baseline project start was 4th May. You can assign multiple baselines. I'll show you one how to do it. Let's go back to the 4th May scheduling. Click select, click schedule it. So we are bringing back this. Go to project, copy, paste, B2. Click this. Now open our initial program. Select open project. Under the project tab, go to the maintain baselines. Click on add. We have already one baseline, that is B1, which we created by clicking add and save a copy of the current project as a baseline. We can convert another project to a new baseline of the project. Select convert another project to new baseline of the current project. By clicking on this, we can select a different project from the EPS structure and we can assign that project as a baseline to this project. Click OK. Then the EPS structure and window will pop up displaying the projects. So you can select a project to assign a baseline to the existing project. So this is the existing project. I'll select B2 To assign B2 as a baseline for the existing project, select here, either double click or click on the select icon. So now B2 project has been assigned as a baseline in the maintain baselines. We will be assigning this in the from the maintain baselines. Click close, go to project again, go to assign baseline, select project baseline, select secondary baseline B2, click OK. So go to the columns, go to the dates again, B2, BL2 start, BL2 finish. You can see the project of start and finish of baseline 2. So you can indent it, organize, click apply. So now we have two sets of baseline assigned to the project. One is from current project, the other one is from saved outside project. In the bars, select show the secondary baseline. Change the coloring red, click on the red, click OK, apply. Now let's schedule it. Go to the bars again, deselect the primary baseline. We don't want to see the overlapping. Click OK. Now you can see the secondary baseline. This is how we will be assigning and maintaining baselines to the project.